Hello everyone, today we're going to continue learning how to write the equation of a circle given its center and a point on the circle. Now you might be wondering how I got this set up. This is from part 7 of the series on circles. So check it out please. I attached the link below. So this is part 8 now where, in part 7 I briefly discussed the key concept and we went over with a model problem. So the focus of this video is to show you the answer to the activity that I gave you or I asked you to complete. So we're given the center, the coordinates of the center, -1, 2, and a point on the circle, +2, +4. So I asked you to write the equation of a circle in center radius form. Now, if you notice, I already annotated these coordinates. -1 is x sub 1, +2 is y sub 1, +2 is x sub 2, and 4 is y sub 2. We are going to use them on this formula. So let's substitute, direct substitute them. So x sub 1 right there, x sub 1 is -1. Let's write it down here. Now notice that I already set up the parentheses. Those are very important symbols while you're doing it. So now x sub 2 for this spot is +2. Y sub 1 is +2. Notice that I'm writing the sign also because that's very important in this lesson. Y sub 2 is +4. There you go. Now, KFC, keep, flip, change. So -1, this becomes plus, this becomes negative. So -1 plus -2 is -3. Now we still have to put that inside the parentheses because there's a square there. We need to keep the square. Now, how about this? +2 plus -4, that's -2. Again, the parentheses is very important. Now moving forward, -3 squared or -3 times -3 is +9. -2 times -2 is 4. +4, if you add them up, that's the square root of 13. Now, can we take this further? No, because 13 is not a perfect square number. So unlike previously, we have the square root of 16, square root of 9, square root of 25. The 16, 9, and 25 and a lot more are perfect square number. 13 is not. So this will be the measure of our radius. Now how do we write the equation? So again, we need the coordinates of the center and simply change the sign. So -1 becomes +1 or +1, and +2 becomes -2 here. And then what do we put here? The radius. It's the square root of 13. Now, can we take it further? Obviously, yes, because if you notice here, there's a square root and a square. Remember, the square root or radical, square root is the square are inverse operations. So they cross out or they cancel each other out. So what's left? It's gonna be 13 only, and copy the rest. So my challenge to you is to graph this circle given the center and a radius of the square root of 13. That's very interesting, right? Please check out the next video. I'm going to show you how to graph this with this weird, if you will, measure of radius. Cool? Alright, thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources and worksheets so you can practice more. And do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.